The Talkable Brand video series. 50 ways a brand becomes talkable. Today's way. Being talkable is skillful. There is a skillful science behind becoming a talkable brand. Smarty Pants researcher Duncan Watts has written a lot about the science behind word of mouth. His research dispels the myth that seeding messages with rare breed influentials is the pathway to word-of-mouth marketing success. Instead, Watts' research says anyone, anywhere can spark word-of-mouth marketing success. In other words, Duncan says it's more important to get your message out to as many people as possible instead of targeting a small number of people. For example, Duncan would say it's best to send a product sample to 10,000 people and not 10 people because the reproduction rate is likely higher when more people hear your message. R greater than 1. That's the scientific formula for word-of-mouth marketing success. Duncan Watts explains it this way. The reproduction rate is important because if R is greater than 1, then each person who gets the message, on average, will spread it to more than one additional person who then does the same thing, and so on, leading to exponential growth in the number of people who have received it. Paula Deen, super southern restaurateur turned media personality cooking star, has not written research papers on word-of-mouth marketing. She can, however, explain Duncan Watts' R greater than 1 formula in a way everyone can understand. Paula says, "My idea of marketing is to produce the best product I could and hope that one person told another 20 people." The Clever Coffee Brewer is a product that's worthy of R greater than 1 word of mouth. I'm a coffee freak, can't help it. I was brainwashed beginning in 1994 to appreciate a more flavorful cup of coffee. When it comes to brewing coffee at home, I am very particular. For 12 years, I've used a pour-over brewer, which coffee purists adore. Recently, I switched my home brewing method to the Clever Coffee Brewer. It's still a pour-over brewer, but with an important twist: full immersion. A regular pour-over brewer has you pouring near boiling water over ground coffee and then letting the natural powers of gravity pull the water through, resulting in a flavorful cup of coffee. With the Clever Coffee Brewer, you pour near boiling water over ground coffee and then wait. You wait as the coffee grounds are fully immersed in the water for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you place the Clever Coffee Brewer atop a big cup, and then gravity takes over as brewed coffee drops into the cup. There's an ingenious stopper on the Clever Coffee Brewer that keeps coffee immersed in the water until the stopper is released when placed atop a cup. This brewing method produces coffee that's as flavorful as coffee brewed in a press pot, except no grit and no dirty screens to clean. The Clever Coffee Brewer follows the Paula Deen pathway to word-of-mouth marketing success. It begins with creating a great product that goes beyond earning an opinion to earning a recommendation. When a product earns a recommendation, it is guaranteed to have an R is greater than 1 reproduction rate. And that's the skillful science to becoming a talkable brand. R greater than 1. For more episodes of the Talkable Brand video series, visit the Brand Autopsy blog.